everybody, and welcome back to Amy's Art Table. Today I have a Llama Americana drawing for you. We are going to use some watercolor paper, a regular pencil, a Sharpie, and a red and blue colored pencil. You can get this nifty one online or in my art kits, or just a regular blue and red colored pencil will do as well. If you've purchased the art kit, you're going to have a starter sketch of a llama on your paper. But if you didn't, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and sketch this llama out. Okay, so we'll start with a pencil. And we'll start up here with some ears. And again, if you have purchased the art kit, then you won't need to do this step because it will already be done. So adding one ear, and then I'm gonna make some fluffy hair in the center. And then go ahead and start another ear off to the right. Now these llamas are not gonna look identical because I am sketching them freehand. So they're not gonna look exactly the same, but they'll look somewhat the same. All right, so I've created two ears here, some funny hair, and then I've gone ahead and sketched some lines that just went zigzaggy and down. Next, we're gonna place the glasses. So start in the center, make the middle of the glasses. And then we'll go and make some square shape and then comes up, round. And then I'm gonna try to do the same thing on the other side. Starting out square, and then the bottom is rounded. Okay, now since I've made the glass shape, I'm going to go ahead and erase my sketchy lines. Okay, clear those out. This is a pretty funny little guy. Okay, and then we'll make a nice line following the same direction on the inside. Okay. Now we'll go on to the nose and the mouth. So make a nice oval shape. Kind of funny. And then a little mouth off that oval. And that should be pretty good. We can do the rest with the Sharpie in there. Same with the ears. We don't need to fill in the ears with a sketch. We can do that with our Sharpie. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sketch some stars. If stars are hard for you to make, you can make them this way with the lines, and then you can go ahead and erase the center of that star, but leave your outline. And so this Llama Americana is ready for the 4th of July with his flag sunglasses. He's funny. Okay, so this side has some stars on it. Maybe we'll put one more small star here. And then on this side, we'll have some stripes. Okay, that looks good. So if you've purchased the kit, then you will already be starting out at this point, okay? So we're gonna grab our Sharpie and we're gonna do a little bit of line work. So we're gonna start by tracing the outside ears. And then we'll trace the other ear. Give some squiggly lines. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to make a squiggly shape on the inside of the ear, which will be the shadow of the llama's hair. Something like that. When you get to the hair, we'll stop and outline the hair, and we'll go ahead and color this in. So this is the inside of his ear. But llamas are quite furry, so it's a little jagged. All right, now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Squiggly little line again, all the way up to the hairline. And we'll add some shade in here with our Sharpie. Alrighty. So now we'll go ahead and outline the hairline with the Sharpie. Then we'll go over to the nose, create that nice oval shape with Sharpie. Create the little mouth. This one has a little tongue sticking out. So make a little oval there. And then the nostrils. Funny little nose going down. Shade that all in. Go out a little bit wider with the mouth so you can, or sorry, the tongue, so you can tell that it's different from the nose. And then now we'll go ahead and outline this guy's sunglasses. It's kind of fun working with Sharpie. The outline of the entire sunglasses is black Sharpie. Try to keep them around the same size each side. Okay. Go ahead and fill that in. All right, so now we got some sunglasses to give these stars a little outline. It's okay if they get a little bigger than they started out being. And then I'm going to outline the red and white stripes over on this side. And there we go. Now, since I started out in pencil on this drawing, I've got some extra lines going on here. So I'm going to go back and start erasing some of those. See this guy in here. All right, so last thing, we're gonna use this blue colored pencil to fill in this side. Like our little American flag. Sunglasses. All right, and this side we'll do red and white. Red, white, red. Red. All right, and there's our little Americana llama. This guy's fun and festive, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July, and I will see you back with more summertime fun.